There's leaked info. Amber's insurance company donated the money she wrongfully took credit for. What now, Amber? Once again, an organization has come forward explaining Amber's lies as the insurance company reveals that the credit Amber is begging for herself for donating money was never done by her in the first place. Watch till the end to find out more. Remember when not so long ago, Amber claimed to have been the godsend to suffering children at ACLU and had claimed that she had donated money for their welfare out of the finances she got as her divorce settlement? Well, you're in for a twist here. The greatest investors in Amber's travel insurance, which pays for her legal expenses, are the same ones who gave to the ACLU on her behalf. Given that the information was leaked, we can be certain that Amber is panicking. Additionally, the information provided by an ACLU executive on Heard's donation was also swiftly perceived as having the potential to diminish Heard's credibility, with the jury deliberating the case in Fairfax County, Virginia. Heard is required to give the funds in accordance with the commitment agreement over a 10-year period beginning in August 2016. Terrence Doherty, Chief Operating Officer and General Counsel of the ACLU, said through recorded video that she hasn't made a payment since December 2018.
That's correct.
You stated you would be donating half of the $7 million to the ACLU.
That's correct.
And you would be donating the other half to Children's Hospital of Los Angeles.
That is correct.
And you also stated, with respect to the $7 million divorce settlement, that money played no role except for the extent that you could donate the money to charity.
Yes, that's correct.
If we could please pull up Plaintiff's Exhibit 1259. This is an article entitled, Amber Heard Donates Johnny Depp Divorce Settlement to Charity. Read her statement in full. Is that correct?
That's what the title says, yes.
Directing your attention to the portion on the second page where it says, quote, read the statement below. Is that the statement you released, Ms. Heard?
That is correct.
Your Honor, I move to admit the statement and the article as redacted.
Objection, hearsay.
It's her statement.
This is not her statement. This is
She just testified, Your Honor, that it's her statement.
May I see the full?
Everything else is redacted.
According to Doherty, Heard has been given credit for donating $1.3 million in 4 installments. However, just a portion of the money came from her. $100,000 came from Depp, and another $500,000 came from a Vanguard account that the ACLU suspects belongs to Elon Musk, whom Heard met after splitting from Depp. ACLU further suspected that her insurance company might be making payments on her behalf, if not Musk, as they've already been covering her legal fees and all her travel expenses as well.
The answer is yes, she's still an ambassador. That's a reference to Ms. Heard still being an ACLU ambassador, correct?
Correct.
Then Ms. White writes, quote, she donated her full settlement to charity, 50% to the ACLU and 50% to another organization. That's a reference to Ms. Heard's representation that she donated the full amount of her divorce settlement from Johnny Depp to charity, correct?
Correct.
And that statement was not true. She had not donated the full amount of her settlement.
So it wouldn't be wrong to say that Amber's benefactor's identity has been revealed to the world, and it's none other than her own insurance company. In an interview with the New York Post, Pennsylvania-based trial lawyer Heather Heidelbaugh provided insight into their identity. In other words, the messiah behind Amber's all legal bills being covered. Heidelbaugh asserts that coverage is predicted on how much you pay through coverage if you're sued for defamation. At the end of the day, the insurance company will retain the option of denying coverage, which would entail refusing to compensate the plaintiff in this case, Mr. Depp. Many insurance policies offer defamation coverage, but many also have an exclusion that states, we will not cover any willful wrongdoing. you must establish deliberate wrongdoing in order to succeed in a defamation lawsuit against a prominent figure. Therefore, earlier, when Ms. Heard hadn't lost the legal battle against her former husband Johnny Depp, the insurance company stood by her as they not only supported her in paying her lawyers, but also paid for her luxurious stay during the ongoing trial and covered her travel expenses as well. However, the entire scenario has been shifted now, and the tables have been turned because the actress has been found guilty of intentionally defaming her ex-husband Johnny Depp. And because her abuse of Depp has also come to light, Amber Heard's former insurance company is taking action to avoid being held liable for paying the actress's legal fees and damages in her defamation case with Depp. So what is Amber's fate from here onwards? Well, that is a debate for another day. That is all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.